Guess I can't really complain about the rain. I haven't really had that many rain days. But it could stop now.
Ciao ragazzi, benvenuti a Roma. Welcome to Rome. Today is day 15 of my 28 days in Rome. I am standing in the Vatican City again, one of my favorite spots to hang out. I love how they light it up now. I don't understand why the first night I was here they didn't light up St. Peter's, but they have since, so I'm not really sure what that's about. But it was well lit tonight, which is great, because tonight I decided to do some drone footage. That's what I did today. It was a rain day, so I couldn't really get out of the house, and well, without getting wet anyway. So I figured I'd wait it out, and since I didn't have any other plans, I would go and scout out some locations I could do a little bit of droning. I mostly focused on St. Peter's Dome, because I'm a little obsessed with it. It's probably the second best dome there is. I don't know what 3, 4, 5 would be. That would be a toss-up, but definitely number 1 is Brunelleschi's dome in Florence. Number 2, right there. So I took a lot of footage of it. Now, there's a lot of spots where you can't drone in Rome, so I had to be very careful and really check the map over and over again. And I did a lot of wandering, just to find spots, and then found out, oh, I can't here, I can't there. And there's a strict, forbidden drone in the center of town. But they don't really light that up at night anyway, so I'm hoping to get a couple more drone sessions out there. I spotted a few places by the river, and I'll have to get out there either early morning or at sunset. So with that said, let's go see some drone footage. Check out St. Pete's. Wasn't that cool? I hope so. I haven't actually seen the footage. I'm recording this before I go back home to edit it. So I'm gonna guess I did a good job. I did a decent job. I've stumbled on a couple of places that I wouldn't have otherwise, and I was supposed to be on top of another hill by the time the sun set, but got distracted. So that's why the footage was so good. Now let's do an edit of that's why the footage wasn't as good as, as it could have been. So I'll use that. I'll use that take if it didn't work out. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're planning your own drone shots, if that's what you like to do. Travel, it's fun. If there's any way I can help, please let me know. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. Really, really helps me out. And please keep those comments and likes coming. Very dear to my heart. And thanks for watching. So with that said, there'll be another video tomorrow. So arrivederci. Ciao. Night, everyone. Oh, no pastry of the day unless I can find something on my way home. See you tomorrow.